Guys, let's go ahead and check out Carissa's shop, and she's got Positively Lettering. Positive hand lettered products and designs to encourage out of, let's see here, she is in Wake Forest. Wake Forest, Carolina. I guess everybody in Wake Forest is woke. Woke in Wake Forest. So let's check it out here. 125 items. Really like that. Mama Keychain. Let's check this one out. Mama Keychain, gift for mom, engraved keychain, Mother's Day gift. Love it. Looks great. Awesome. Great listing. You know, keychain's a simple product, so it's easy to sell it well. New to Positively Lettering, engraved wood keychains. Yeah, everything on this one looks really nice. I can see why that one's doing well. Let's do this one. Created to create sticker for artists, sticker for creative, sticker makers. So you're doing great over here, Carissa. And let's see here if we can see your sales. I wonder if there's any trends. So you are okay, strong. That's a nice sticker there. Practice your positivity, lettering basics. So it looks like you're selling some of these little digital workbooks as well. So that seems to be popular, which is nice. Nana, just be kind. You know, I think you're doing so well because your colors are so bright and everything just looks warm and welcoming and happy. See, lettering basics, digital workbook, lettering worksheets, lowercase alphabet, practice sheets, hand lettering worksheets. Dun, dun, dun. Man, this is like my cursive writing from when I was a kid. Look at that. I can't believe it. I can't believe you're selling the stuff that I was forced to do as a kid and people are happily buying it. That is amazing. I like it. Lettering Basics Digital Workbook. 38-page guide of the tips and techniques to help you learn the art of lettering. Instant download. That's nice. I like that. I think that's really smart. And you know what? I love that this is 38 pages, okay? And the reason why is I think the digital products is such a hard one to work because everybody just drives the prices to the floor. Whereas if you're selling something that's 38 pages, it allows you to sell it for digital for $7.99 and people are buying it. You know, so I think you should make it even a bigger deal that it's 38 pages. You could show like a screenshot, you know, a photo of all the pages laid out, and they would be so small that nobody could really steal from them. But you don't have to show all of them. You could just show, maybe you could show a photo with like 15 or 20 pages or something, and then big text over it that says workbook comes with 38 pages. And then you could even take, you know, you could even put some more benefits there, action items, but you know, 38 pages of tips. See, I see you say it right here, but I'd like to see even more previews of some of the pages. These ones are really like, because they're these, and I wouldn't say remove these photos. These are really, really good. You know, that you have them here. I think they really show it off nicely, but you could try to get some more in there as well. And let's see, lettering basics, digital lettering basics. Let's check this one out. So if this is your, you know, one of your best sellers, you might want to duplicate the listing to hit some new keywords. So what do I mean by that? Well, the keyword is, I understand that the book is called Lettering Basics, but that's not really a big popular phrase that people search. Now, don't change this listing. Whatever I tell you today, don't make any changes to this listing because this one is selling and working. The way you can expand and grow these sales is to make a copy of this listing, and then you can go crazy. The new listing, you're not gonna break it up. You're not gonna mess it up. So you can make any changes you want. So on the new listing, you could change the title, and you could, let's look up how to. Let's see what what would you say? What would you call this? Lettering practice workbook. Okay, that's what it is. Let's try that one. So let's look up lettering practice workbook. Let's see what we got. 1125. So that's a good keyword right there. So you could copy this one and you could put your keyword lettering practice workbook. Now let's check another one. I would also try cursive, because that's what I would call it, writing workbook. That's what what it was told to me when I was a kid. So some all right, 629 results, not huge, but it's okay. And you could still use that as one of your titles. You could use that keyword. Now let's try how to write cursive. 596. So okay, results not great, but if you could figure out, I'm not as familiar with the lettering keywords, but if you could kind of come up with more keywords that are, basically built around how to learn lettering, that might even be one, how to learn lettering. But you just want to figure out, yeah, 881. So another one that's good. Hitting on some of those different keywords could be really, really good for you. And I think you could duplicate this listing, and you could go ahead and try some new titles in there, some new keywords in your title, and expand your sales that way. So